Okay, guys. So, first of all, welcome everyone in our course ArcGIS Pro customization using Python and ArcPy. So, as you know, this is a programming course. Means if you have knowledge in ArcGIS Pro or ArcGIS, then that is added advantage. But after completion of this course, you can customize the ArcGIS Pro with Python and ArcPy. So, as you know, today we have the introduction session. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about what are the things we are going to get in this course, what are the important rules and regulations which we are going to follow in this course. Third thing is how you can get the recordings and how you will get the hands on, how you will get the questions like interview questions or practice questions. So the complete rules and regulations and format of the course today we will discuss so that accordingly you can take decision and we can move forward. So before going to discuss about the course, first I want to tell something about the course and the organizer and all. So like as you know, this course basically is organized by Yo4GIS Solution and Geotech. Both the companies have different expertise in different domain. So like as you know, Geotech having very good experience and very depth knowledge in data, satellite images, image processing and all. And Yo4GIS Solutions having around 6 year of experience in the development and geospatial development training. So the instructor who are going to provide you training or in our organization the people who are basically having different expertise in different geospatial development field. So we have around 20 plus year of experience and our people have these many certifications. So over the time, like based on the experience and based on the different requirement, people have achieved this certificate. And definitely because of people have different kind of certifications, so they have different kind of knowledge, so that benefit ultimately you are going to get. And U4GS solutions is basically having two different vertical. First vertical is the geospatial development projects. We are basically in the software development. And another vertical is for the geospatial development training. So the benefit what you are going to get, whatever the projects or whatever the real-time projects U4GIS or Geotech is doing. So real-time task you are going to get in your practice. Or like as you know, along with this course, we are going to provide 1 month free internship as well. That is basically optional. If you want, you can take. If you don't require, you can leave it. So in that internship, you will get the task which basically we are doing in the real time or real time client or real time environment. So this is the small introduction about our instructors and our
Yes.
organization. And now I will just request you guys. So if you will give your introduction in very short form, what is your name, from where you belong, what kind of experience you have, and the most important thing is what is your expectation with this course? Okay,
Plus,
so that it will be easy for us. It will be easy for us to understand your capability, and based on that, if something we want to change in the course content, so easily we can change. So anyone can please start. Yeah, guys, anyone please start.
it's,
Yeah.
so basically, my expectation is to learn some basic coding, which I can work on GIS, and which will make customization easily. Uh, I think.
Okay. Okay. Great. So this course, ultimately, this course is going to provide you the facility to customization of your regular task, what basically we are doing, and it is taking time if we are doing manually. So, but after the customization, you can get the result quickly. Yeah, next one. Yeah,
Hello.
anyone can tell, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello, sir. My name is Mohit. I am from Nagpur. Uh, I have 2.8 years experience in GIS, and I want to learn about Python, how to use Python and its coding in GIS. That's why I have joined this session.
Okay. 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 Thank you. Thank you, Moiji. Yeah, next one, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, I'm Kishan Ratan. I'm from Suriname. That's the other part of the world, I think.
Okay.
Um, I have just started with GIS. Uh, in fact, GIS is not really my domain, but I just started with it. And what I'm doing now is using a data interrupt to fetch data from SQL databases, build dashboards, also
Okay.
using Python for Survey 123. So I came across this course on the internet and have joined it.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Kishan. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, next, please.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Myself Sahana Siji from Karnataka, sir.
Okay.
I am studying Geoinformatics and Computer Science in Bachelor of Science Honors degree.
Okay.
So, as a part of our curriculum, we learned some ArcGIS and also Python. So, I need extra more courses from this Python course.
Okay.
We need base and basics to advanced tools. So what the company is expecting from us and ArcGIS, what the Arc is customized with the and what actually current scenario. That type
Okay.
of the customization we need, sir, from this course.
Okay. 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 Great.
And whenever we apply for the job, no, sir, this course is helpful for us to do capable of doing extra more mappings and customizations of Python using this course, sir.
Okay. Okay. Great. So, no problem. This course is aligned with your requirement. Don't worry.
Ah, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Next one.
Hello,
Yeah. Hi.
myself is Dati Sapna Rao sir.
Yeah, madam.
I am JS diploma.
Okay.
Mm, okay, sir. I am
Okay.
from Chhatrapati Sambhajan.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Next one.
Hi, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Swati from Kadapa, sir. I studied in BTech Digital Techniques for Design and Planning branch. In that branch, GA, ArcGIS is one of the course subjects, sir.
Okay.
I'm a recently graduated in 2025, so I'm a fresher. I want to know how it related to Python with ArcGIS.
Okay. 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 Great. Yeah. Next one, please.
Yes, I'm Pankaj Korade from Ahmednagar.
Okay. Great.
So I have completed my MA in Natural Resource Management and Sustainable Development.
Mm-hmm.
And in that way, we were having GIS as one course, and I did so many things in that. But I don't know that how to use Python in GIS.
Okay.
So I want to learn more for the better opportunity
Okay.
in.
Okay. So this course will be definitely aligned with your requirement. No problem. Yeah. Next one, please. Yeah. Anyone else? Okay. No problem. So apart
One
from the course, yeah. Tell me who is trying to say something. Yeah. Anyone want to tell something? Okay, guys. So I believe everyone. Yeah, Amruta, you are audible. Can you please speak something? Yeah, your mic is not working, I think. Okay, no problem, guys. So now we will move forward because I understood what is your requirement and basically most of the people what you require this course is basically aligned with that requirement. And second and most important thing is, see, actually, I know most of the people belong to Maharashtra, and the problem is people like I am also from north side. Okay, so our issue is only one: we are very shy, even though we know the things, but we don't want to speak. But remember one thing: if you want to come to the corporate world, if you want to show something, if you want to learn and implement and show the things in your company, then you must have tell. You have to tell something. If you will not tell, then whatever the things you will do, some other guy will get the credit. Okay, but that is not related to this course. But because many people didn't tell anything, because of that reason, I am telling this. Okay. So now coming to the next part. So I believe here most of the people are from the non-development background, and this is good for this course also because in this course we are going to start from scratch. We are going to start from zero. So if even though if some people doesn't know about the development or Python, you no need to worry about that. You this place is perfect for you. But only thing is you have to give commitment to me. You have to give commitment to yourself every day. Every day you have to spend at least 1 hour. If you want to change something in your professional life, you have to spend at least 1 hour. Whatever the exercise, whatever the question we will provide you, to do that, you have to spend at least 1 hour in a day. That's all. rest of the things we will take care. So next thing is basically why the programming is important for all the technical people. Why the programming is required for all the technical people? Because as you know, in starting of this session, I already told you, we are basically going to explore how to customize ArcGIS Pro. But ultimately the goal is we want to reduce the manual effort. We want to reduce the manual effort, because if if some work you are doing in 5 hours, and if you are not implementing any development thing, you don't want to reduce the man hour, then why we require the programming? So ultimately the requirement of the programming or requirement of the development is to reduce the manpower. Second thing is improve the productivity. Okay, reduce the manpower, improve the productivity, and improve the product. Guys, please be on mute. Improve the productivity and and increase the accuracy. These are the three important things what we are going to achieve with the help of the programming. So here Bill Gates also have given the statement ki I choose a lazy person to do a hard job because a lazy person will find an easy way to do it. So the lazy man is always trying to get to find the route or find the way to do the thing in the easy way. Like let's suppose if in your computer or in one folder there are 1,000 photos are there. Okay. For example, in one folder there are 1,000 photos are there. I want to rename all the photos name. My requirement is what? I want to rename all the photos name. I want to add, let's suppose yo for GIS before all the name. Then if you give this work to some laborious person or some person who are very interested for the labor work, he will start work and rename all the file name and add the yo for GIS. And maybe it will, if he will going to change 1,000 photos name, it will take 1 day. But at the same time, if you give this work to the lazy person, definitely he will find the way where he can do the same job in next 15 minute or 20 minute. So that is the magic of what? That is the magic because of the programming, because of the development. So what is the benefit of the programming? First benefit is what? This is another language. So like you and me, if we are talking, so some people knows the Marathi, they are talking in Marathi. Some people knows Hindi, English, Punjabi, so they are talking in Hindi, English, Punjabi. But actually you and me, we all are working in technology. We all are working with the computer. We all are working with the some computer based technology. Someone is working with the GIS, geography, some library management system, hospital management system. So in that case, we have to know the language. Using that, we can interact with computer. If I want to give some instruction to the computer, so I have to know one language. That language we can use, and we can tell to computer, we can tell to the laptop, please do this thing. So for that, we need one language. That is basically another language what we are using to interact with the computer. Second thing is the foster creativity. This is very, very important thing. Means if you know the programming, if you know the programming, then only you can get some creative ideas. If you don't know the programming, then there is no idea. Why? Because you don't know programming. I don't know programming. So I cannot think something is possible using the programming. But if someone knows the programming, then people can think some creative ideas and they can basically repeat the performance. Convert ideas to conceptual. This is basically like as you know in our batches or in our course there are many different type of peoples are attending the classes. Okay, like some people are fresher, some people having 1 year experience, 2 year experience, some people having 10 year of experience. Even some of the batches I have the people who are having 22, 25 year of experience. So the people who has 20 year of experience or who has 15 year of experience, they definitely, if you have 15 year of experience, means you have very, very good knowledge on the subject. If someone is working with the utility GIS from last 10 years, then he has very good knowledge in the utility. But the problem is he has very good idea. He has very good idea to do the thing, but the problem is he don't know the development. He don't know the programming. So when that type of people knows the programming or when that type of people learn the programming, so they are doing the wonder. They are doing basically, they can use their ideas, they can use their previous knowledge and they can convert to the conceptual form. Quick decision making. What is the meaning of the quick decision making? If you want to take any decision, definitely you required some facts, you required some historical data, you required some data. Based on that we can take a decision. So whenever we are asking quick decision making, how quickly you are getting the data, based on that you can take decision quickly. So GIS and programming, if you are creating a data manually, if you are doing the things manually, definitely it will take too much time. But if you are doing things programmatically, then quickly you will get the result. How quickly you will get the result? That quickly you can take the decision. Become more efficient and productive. As I already told you, if we know the development, if we know the programming, then we can do the things more effectively and productivity definitely will increase. Automate the things. You can automate the things quickly if you know the programming. Like there are many examples are there. Let's suppose you are working with some data. Every day morning or every day end of the day, your manager asks you कि please give me the report how many new data we have created. Correct? Your manager is telling कि every day evening I want to get the report how many new data we have created. If you are going to collect all these information manually, then definitely every day you are going to spend 1 hour to get the information. But if you know the programming, then you can write some piece of code. Every day you can run the piece of code and within 2 minutes you will get the information, and that information you can share with your management. Make things faster. So definitely if we know the programming, then quickly we can get the result. And anything if we want to do, and the same thing if you are doing manually, you are going to spend 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour. And the same thing if you are doing with the program, then maybe you can complete this thing in 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Then after, final thing is attractive salary and job. I don't want to discuss on this part much because we all are from the GIS background and we know what is the salary people are getting in data and how much salary they are getting in development. So I know many people who are working with 10 year, 15 year, 20 year to create the data, and still after 20 year of experience, their salary is basically like monthly 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. But at the same time, if people are in the development side, so their salary will be 2 lakh, 3 lakhs rupees as well. So next thing is like if we want to, because we all are here, because the reason is we all want to become a programmer. So how we can become a programmer? First thing is clearing your basics. Clearing your basics means every day I am going to show you something in the Python or in the ArcPy, and I will tell at the same time I will give you the practice question. So you have to do the practice. This is the second step. Third step is whatever the program you are writing, whatever the code you are writing, that code must be in the understandable form. Means we have to write the clear code or clean code. Then after, the next thing is we have to collaborate with the team. Means like let's suppose if because for the collaboration purpose we already have created the WhatsApp group. Once you will get the admission, after that we will add you in the WhatsApp group. So using that WhatsApp group we can collectively we can grow. So if you have any doubt, any question, you can post your questions in the group, anyone can answer. If you want to get some program, that also you can send the question, anyone can reply on that. After that, as you know, look, there are many resources are there. And next important thing is now these days, as you know, AI is very popular. So in this course, we are going to tell you how AI help us to write the code, how we can write the Python and ArcPy related code using the AI. So that is also very important now these days. After that, if you want to become a programmer, so there are from my side, there are only one rule, that is the 2P rule. What is this 2P rule? First, 2P rule is basically one is the patience and second one is the practice. Why I am telling patience and practice is important? Because the reason is if someone is coming from non-development background, then definitely when people start writing the code or start running the code, they are getting many errors. They are getting many errors. And that is the time, whenever you are getting many errors, that is the time where basically you are leaving your patience. That is the time when you are leaving your patience. So what we need to do? We should not leave our patience. That is very important. We should not leave our patience. Second thing is what? Practice. Practice make you perfect. So every day we have to do practice and we have to take patience. Because if you have any problem, then we are here to help you. Okay. Now after that, we have the advanced GIS. What is the meaning of the advanced GIS? First thing is when we are creating the data, so as you know, like we have the answer for what and where, means what you have and where you have. Where is the hospital? Where is the bank? Where is the ATM? You can easily find in Google. In that you can get the details of the things, correct? In that you can get the this, where is the bank, one thing. Second thing is in that bank what kind of facilities are there. So easily you are getting the answer of what and where. But the important thing is what? Now my question is, how many banks are within 1 kilometer area of my house? How many banks are within 1 kilometer area of my house? How many hospitals, how many petrol pumps are within 2 kilometer area of my house? So if we have that kind of question, so the answer of that kind of question is what? We will get in the GIS development, or that type of answer we will get in the advanced GIS. Advanced GIS is nothing but the part of the GIS development. So using that, we can quickly get the statistics, and based on that, we can quickly take the decision. Now, after that, if you are in the GIS development, or if you know the programming, so this is just a hypothetical numbers. So here, based on the different surveys, if you are in the GIS intern, GIS technician, GIS specialist, so based on that, here you can see what salary people are getting in what position. So always GIS developer position is strong. Now after that, what are the course, what are the things are going to contains in this course? First thing is you will get the live session. Okay. First thing is you will get the live session. Second thing is, as you know, we have classes in 3 days in a week. We have classes in 3 days in a week, that will be on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday evening 8 o'clock. Classes time will be 8 to 9. Second thing is each and every session will record, so that after finish the session, next half an hour or 1 hour recording will be uploaded on YouTube, so that if due to some reason if you miss the session, then you can get the videos, or you can check out the recording. After that, for the different topics, you will get the practice questions and interview questions as well. So that, as I told you, if you want to become a programmer, then patience and practice. From where you will do the practice, we will provide you the practice questions, and after that, interview questions as well. And for once you will have like 1 month and 1.5 month, 2 month experience, then we can give you the real scenario examples, or real scenario questions that you can implement. And whenever you will join any company, there also you will get a similar kind of scenario. 1 month free internship. So you will get 1 month free internship. So as I told you, this is the optional. So the person who has time, they can take. We will provide the questions. We will provide the use cases that you can develop, and accordingly you will get the internship. Next one is the mock interview. So definitely, because once you complete the course, do the practice, and after that, when you try to get the job in the Python or ArcGIS Pro customization, then definitely you will get different questions in the interview. So we will provide you the mock interviews, so that you will not be fear with the interview. Next thing is, there are 3 certificates you are going to get. The first one is the company certificate, like you will get one certificate from Yo4GIS Solutions. Second one is you will get the ITT Council certificate. ITT Council certificate you are going to get from the Delhi. It will directly come to your house. And after that, if you will share this certificate to any company, so they can online validate the certificate. And third thing is, once you will done with this 1 month internship, so whoever is going to take the internship, so you will get the internship certificate as well. That will be helpful to basically to show in the interview for the new job. Okay, now after that, coming to the ArcGIS Pro customization, because our course is what? Our course is the customization of ArcGIS Pro using Python and ArcPy. So as you know, like in the interview, people can ask you the question, कि if I want to customize the ArcGIS Pro, what are the things we required? So here important thing is, if we want to customize the ArcGIS Pro, there are two different ways to customize the things. One is using the .NET and second one is using the ArcPy. So you can learn anything. You can learn the customization of ArcGIS Pro using the .NET, or you can learn ArcGIS Pro customization using ArcPy. But normally I am suggesting people, if you are coming from the non-development background, so better you have to start with the Python and ArcPy, because Python is very easy language. With less effort, we can get more, because .NET is little bit complicated. So it will take time to learn the .NET, but Python we can quickly learn. So here, if you want to learn the ArcGIS Pro customization using .NET, so we have to know the C# .NET and ArcGIS Pro. And if we want to do the customization using Python and ArcPy, then we have to know the Python and ArcGIS Pro and ArcPy. So this course is basically going to focus on the Python and ArcPy. So what are the things we can develop using the .NET? So if you want to learn the ArcGIS Pro customization using the .NET, then using the .NET, these are the things we can create: button, tool, doc pen and all. In our course, because we are going to learn ArcGIS Pro customization using Python and ArcPy, so we can develop the tool, we can develop the script tool, and we can develop the geoprocessing tool. So these are the tool we can develop using Python and ArcPy. And the best thing is, whatever the tool you are going to develop using Python and ArcPy, the same tool is going to use in ArcGIS server as well. So this is the added advantage for the people who are learning ArcGIS Pro customization using Python and ArcPy. Popularity of the Python, everyone knows. So there is Python is very popular language, and you will get n number of resources in Python. The course statistics. What is the course statistics? So approximately the course duration is 2 months. Not exactly 2 months. The course will be around 2.5 months. So 50% course or 1 month you can consider for the Python, and next after that the entire thing is for the ArcPy. So using the ArcPy, we are going to do, or we are going to create many tools for the customization of ArcGIS Pro. What are the course benefit you will get? So as I told you, the 50% part is the Python, 50% part is the ArcPy. So if you once you learn the Python, then after you can utilize this Python in many different field. You can learn the QGIS customization, ethical hacking, data science, AI ML, image recognition, big data. Means there are many different domains are there where you can use the Python. So the same Python what we are going to learn, similar Python we can use in different domains. And for the ArcPy is specifically designed for the ArcGIS Pro. So whatever the things you want to do in ArcGIS Pro, So that basically we can do with the help of ArcPy. And basically behind the ArcPy, there is a Python. So if you want to learn the ArcPy, then we have to know what? We have to know about the Python. After that, the course fees and all. So as you guys already know, the course fees is 15,000. And there are two different options are there. First option is basically single installment, means in one time. If you want to pay the fees, then definitely you will get 5% or 10% discount. And if you want to pay the fees in two equal installment, then 7,500 you can pay in two installment and enjoy. Now after that, the certificate, as I told you, so this is the ITT certificate. This certificate is very nice, and this will basically, it will directly come to your home. I will provide you the soft copy. I will provide you the soft copy. Hard copy will directly come to your home only. This course is designed for whom? So basically, this course is basically designed for those who want to do something in GIS. So I can understand you guys are here because definitely you want to do something different in your domain in GIS. Okay. Otherwise, very less people have that much courage. Very less people have that much courage to learn new things. If you are here, then really means you guys are great because you want to learn something. Because most of the people, let's suppose if people have 3 year, 4 year, 5 year experience in data, or they are working in the data, that no one is trying to learn the development because first of all, people don't want to spend time on that. Okay, so you are really great, you are here. So doesn't know about the development. If you doesn't know about the development, that is very good for us and very good for you also, because if you will learn something from scratch, then it will be really good. Want to learn the development, the people who want to learn the development, this course is designed for them only. Implement Python skill in their domain. So if you want to learn the Python and implement the Python skill in different domains, so that course is for you. Implement Python programming in ArcGIS Pro customization. Definitely the entire course is going to customize, means learn the Python and customize the ArcGIS Pro using ArcPy. We want to make a career in GIS development. Because of that reason, we are learning here. Want to work as a solution architect. So basically, if you have more than 10 year of experience, then definitely after learning the development programming, then definitely you can go for the solution architect. This is the course roadmap. So as I told you, if 50% course is basically Python and rest of the course is ArcPy. So there's introduction of the Python, basic programming syntax, loop, condition, collection, file input, output, classes and object, Python program, then ArcPy introduction. Then these all are basically what? These all are the ArcPy related thing. So even in the ArcPy, you will get a minimum 100 examples. You will get minimum 100 questions in the document. Whatever the practice questions we are going to provide you, so at least you will get 100 questions in the ArcPy, and at least you are going to get 100 question in the Python. So that is more than enough. If you will do the practice properly, no one can stop you. Okay, so this is the basically roadmap of our course. And after that, sometime people are asking me, sir, what is the language of this course?